Everyone, today I'm going to share with you 10 beautiful indoor plants which are looking really attractive and having a nice texture and pattern and color combination on the leaves. And I'm going to explain one by one each indoor plant. And moreover, these plants are really not expensive. Most plants are ranging from $10 to $25, and it's easy to care also. So with a little maintenance, you can grow these beautiful indoor plants in indoors. And watch the video till the end, and if you like the content of this video, just give a thumbs up. Let's start the topic. Kind of a new addition to Calathea family. It's called you know um, Calathea Stella. It's almost like Stromanthe trio star. It's the same family, same texture, but it's slightly different with color pattern. Calathea Stella definitely stands in the first in my list, and a bright and colorful, easy to care indoor plant. Look at these colors, combination of colors and the color structures and striking pattern. It looks so beautiful. I would definitely recommend for your indoor plant collection. This is from Begonia family, called like a dot begonia. It's really very attractive indoor plant. You could see here. This dot begonia is definitely a showstopper with its olive green wing shaped leaves and contrasting spots on it, and with very attractive rusty red undersides. You could see a lot of new growth here in this, the plant, especially the springtime. Definitely, you see a lot of growth. It's relatively a fast growing indoor plant. This is definitely one of my favorite plant, Tnanthe family, Tnanthe Lubbersiana called. And you could see this, how striking the yellow leaves and green pattern. It's a very attractive indoor plant. It's a kind of relative to Calathea family, but it's easy to care. With a little care, you can maintain this plant. The common name of this plant is a never never plant. It's definitely one of the beautiful indoor plant with gorgeous variegation. You could see here, with irregular straighted splashes of yellow color on the dark green leaves. It looks so beautiful. And it's relatively a fast growing indoor plant. You could see a lot of new growth on this plant now, especially because the spring is the best time for the new growth. I would definitely recommend this plant, Ctenanthe Lubbersiana. One of my favorite because of this color and texture is the Tradescantia plant. We have people say like wandering Jew, and it's really a vining plant, so you can hang in the basket. And you look at this, how beautiful the texture and all. It grows very easy, and the propagation also very easy. It looks really beautiful. Keep the indoors. This Tradescantia family plant has definitely gained popularity in recent years because of its very attractive and bright colors on it, and it's easy to grow, easy to maintain, and easy to propagate. Fittonia plant, common name is Nanouk plant. It has a really very striking foliage, very compact and mounding, perfect for indoors, even compact spaces like office space, tabletops, and also. This Node plant is one of the wonderful indoor plant for its foliage and striking accent. And it's a perfect fit to decorate on tabletop areas as well as the compact spaces, even in the hanging baskets. This is a plant from Alocasia family. Uh, I think this particular plant called Ivory coast. You could see that the way how the stems are in pink color and heart shaped leaves. It's really, very striking and a very attractive foliage to grow in indoors. This variety of Alocasia is definitely very attractive for its glossy, heart-shaped leaves. You could see how these connected with the silver color veins. It looks so beautiful, and it's definitely a perfect addition for your tropical houseplant connection. And it prefers just a medium indirect sunlight and just water when the top 2 inches of the soil is dry. This is oxalis plant, and this plant can go even like outdoors also with a kind of suitable conditions like shade area. But in indoors, it definitely can grow bright and beautiful. You can see the how attractive it is. It's a beautiful plant. Oxalis triangularis is definitely a beautiful ornamental plant. It can grow outdoors as well as the indoors. You could see a very attractive clover shaped leaves, that comes in shades of green, red and purple. And you could see the small pinkish blooms, very attractive. And it's another advantage of this plant is, it can grow in the containers in the shady areas. There are a lot of plants from the fern family, but this one is a very special because this is called like a crocodile fern. Uh, you could see that how beautiful the leaf pattern and all. It looks really beautiful for indoors. It's a perfect plant for a tabletop and compact areas too. The crocodile fern is one of the easiest types of the fern to grow in indoors, and you could see this the leaves are really shiny and bright green color, and the pattern on the leaves, it looks so very attractive. And this plant prefers indirect bright light to show the new growth, and water just when the soil is dry. Plant from pothos family, and pothos is the most popular indoor plant. Everybody knows the pothos family, but what is special about this one is like a variegated marble queen pothos. And you can see that the heart shaped leaves and the striking pattern on the dark green leaves, and it's easy to grow. And again, this is you can hang in the baskets and keep on the tabletops. What I like most about this marble green potho plant is it looks so beautiful. You could see the variegation, with the heart shaped leaves and creamy white variation that looks so beautiful. And one of the best thing is it's easy to care, and one of the relatively fast growing indoor plant and very less maintenance. It definitely add colors to indoors. This is another one easy to care plant. We call it from Syngonium family. Um, it's a most commonly available in most of the stores. Not very expensive. You can get a small plant for $10. But once it grows, it has a really very good foliage on it. And there is a pink Syngonium also. It's a really very beautiful and attractive. It comes leaf like this, but I would definitely recommend one of the Syngonium family. Just keep it indoors. It looks really bright and beautiful. I hope you enjoyed the content of this video. Please give a thumbs up to this video, and if you are interested to home and garden videos, subscribe to my channel House Talks. Thank you.